Yesterday we have seen the slope formulas, everything, sir. Okay, the previous class. Now let us see some more problems. This is exercise 3A lo chestam, sir. These are very, very important. Okay. Now, find the equation of the line passing from 2 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus 3. Observe here. So 2 comma minus 3, 0 comma minus 3. Solution. Formula: y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Okay, x1 y1, 2 comma minus 3. What is x2 y2? 0 comma minus 3. Okay, now put the values. Y minus y1, so minus of 3. y2 minus y1, minus 3, minus of minus 3. Substitution chala important, sir. x2 is what, sir? 0 minus 2 into x minus x1. x1 is 2, sir. Now y plus 3, minus of minus is plus, by 0 minus 2, x minus 2. So y plus 3, minus 3 plus 3 is 0, 0 by minus 2, x minus 2. Cross multiply, minus 2y minus 6, 0 into anything, 0. So minus 2y is, remove the minus sign, 2y plus 6 is equal to 0, or y plus 3 is equal to 0. Important answer, cross multiplication chesam, sir. So minus 2y minus 6, 0 into anything is 0. So we got equation. So 2-point formula. Okay, take this. Okay, next. Find the equation of the line passing from 1 comma to 1 comma minus 2. Again, x1 y1 is 1 comma 2, x2 y2 is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Formula, we have put in the formula, y minus y1, y1 and enters are 2, y2 minus y1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, by x2 minus x1, 1 minus 1, x minus x1, x1 is what, sir? 1, right? You observe the answer, minus 4, 1 minus 1 is 0. See, don't bother about minus 4 by 0, what will happen, all that, don't have a confusion, sir. Confusion తీసుకోకండి. సింపుల్గా క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, సార్. 0 into y minus 2, 0. సింపుల్గా క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, సార్. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? minus 4x plus 4. Therefore, 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Because I am bringing the term this side, so 4x minus 4 is equal to. In the previous one, numerator was 0, so this was becoming 0. Denominator cross multiply. Here, denominator is 0, cross multiplication will give you 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Now, next problem. Find the equation of the line passing from 4 comma 7, 8 comma 1. Right? Now this is the problem. Solution. Equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. What is x1 y1? 4 comma 7, x2 y2, 8 comma 1. Put the values. Y minus 7 is equal to y2 and enter, sir? 1 minus 7 by 8 minus 4. X minus x1 is what? 4. Okay, so y minus 7 is equal to minus 6 by 4 into x minus 4. Don't do any calculation, sir. Don't make 3 table or 2 table or don't do all that, sir. Simple cross multiplication, sir. 4y minus 28 minus 6x plus 24. Simple cross multiplication. So bring the term this side. 4y minus 28 plus 6x minus 24 is equal to 0. So this becomes 6x plus 4y minus 52 is equal to 0. Now you cancel with the 2 tables. 3x plus 2y minus 26 is equal to 0. Okay. What is the answer? 3x plus 2y minus. Now observe here, very, very important. Now what is the point A is given? I am taking the first point. 4 comma 7. Verification చేసుకోవచ్చు, sir. You can verify yourself. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 12 plus 14, 26. 26 minus 26, 0. So your equation is right. So you can verify yourself, sir. Put the value of that point in this equation. You may have doubt. What about that one? So 8 3s are 24 plus 2 minus 26. Again also 0. Both the points will satisfy. So verification for 2-point formula. Copy this. Now next model is very important. Okay. There will be 3 problems. Prove that 1 comma 11, 2 comma 15, minus 3 comma minus 5 are collinear. And also find equation of the line passing from above points. Right? Now solution. In your 10th class you have learned collinear means area of the triangle is 0, but we are not going to use that concept here. So let A is 1 comma 11, B is 2 comma 15, C is minus 3 comma minus 5. Okay. Now slope of AB. What I am doing? Slope of AB. Formula answer y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Right? y2 minus y1 means 15 minus 11 by 2 minus 1. How much we get? 4 by 1, 4. And slope of AC. AC means what, sir? Minus 5 minus 11 by, so minus 16 by minus 4 is 4. This is M2. This is called M1. So what is the slope of AB? 4. What is the slope of AC? 4. Okay, means both the slopes are equal. Since both the slopes are equal, therefore collinear. Somebody will have a doubt, sir. You have taken AB and AC. If I take BC, what will happen? I am writing that also. Slope of BC. What is the slope of BC? 15 minus of minus by minus 5 of minus 15 by minus 3 minus 2 minus 20 by minus 5. How much we get? Plus 4. So to make you understand, I wrote this, sir. This is not required. So this also will be the same. So you always find AB and AC. Now you got the slopes. Both are equal. Now what is the next one we have to find out? Equation of the line. Equation of the line. Here formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. I am using point slope formula. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1. You can consider any point, sir. I am considering the first point 1 comma 11. What is the m value? What is the value we got? Current options are 4. So y minus 11 is equal to 4 into x minus 1. So y minus 11 is equal to 4x minus 4. Bring the term this side. Y minus 11 minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 4x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Remove the minus sign. 4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Again, somebody will have doubts. So you have taken first point. What about second point? Now what is the second point? 2 comma 15. Now put in this equation, sir. 8 minus 15 plus 7, 0. This is satisfying. Ante you can verify whether you take first point or second point or third point, the equation has to be satisfied. So I have taken the first point, I got this equation which is, sir. Didn't I have put the second point, 2 comma 15 I have put, I got 0. Means this also will satisfy. So what is important here? This is very important model, sir. So you have to find the slope of AB and slope of AC. If they are equal, they are collinear, then use this formula. Okay, let us see some more problems on this. Okay. Show that the points minus 5 comma 1, minus 2 comma minus 6, 10 comma 7 are collinear, and also find the equation passing from above points. So let A is minus 5 comma 1, minus 6, 10 comma 7. Okay, so slope of AB y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So minus 6 minus 1 by minus 2 minus of minus 5. Minus 6 minus 1 by minus 2 minus of minus 5. 5 comma, oh sorry, points are wrong, sir. I'll just change the points. First point is minus 5 comma 1. This is 5 comma 5, sorry. 5 comma 5, this is 10 comma 7. That is right, sir. So B point is 5 comma 5, right? So this becomes what, sir? 5 minus 1 by 5 minus of minus 5. So 4 by 10. Next, AC slope. Y2, 7 minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 10 minus of minus 5. So 6 by 15. Here 2 by 5. Here also 2 by 5. 2 2s are 2 5s are. 3 2s are 3 5s are. So this is M2. This is M1. You got M1, M2. Therefore, since slopes are equal, collinear. Right? Collinear. Ochinda sir. Next. Equation of the line. So M is 2 by 5. X1, Y1 is A point I am considering. Minus 5 comma 1. So Y minus 1 is equal to 2 by 5 into X plus 5. Cross multiplication. 2X plus 10. In the term this side. Minus 10 is equal to 0. So minus 2X plus 5Y minus 15 is equal to 0. So remove the minus sign. 2x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, again same procedure, sir. Can I 2 table to cancel? 2 2s are 2 5s are. 3 2s are 3 5s are. So 2 by 5, 2 by 5. We got same values, collinear. Then 2x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now what is the second point? Now verification, sir. 5 comma 5. So what will happen? 10 minus 25 plus 15 is equal to 0. So verified. Okay, I will give you one problem. You can try yourself, sir. 1 comma 3 minus 2 comma minus 6, 2 comma 6. Try yourself, sir. Okay. Okay, we have seen 2-point formula, sir. We have seen 2-point formula and collinear we have seen, and we will see intercept formula. Okay. Find the equation of line if x-intercept is 4 comma 0, y-intercept is 0 comma minus 5 or 0 comma 5. Okay, 0 comma 5. Then what are the given? A comma 0 is equal to 4 comma 0, means A is equal to 4. Next one, 0 comma B is equal to 0 comma 5, which will give you B is equal to 5. You got A value, B value. What is the intercept formula? Okay, intercept form x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Okay, so x by 4 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. Then what is the LCM? 20. 5x plus 4y is equal to 1. 5x plus 4y, cross multiply. 5x plus 4y is equal to 20, or 5x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Right? So, just formula application. Okay, let us see one more problem. Find the equation of straight lines whose sum of the intercepts is 5 and product is 6. Look at this problem, sir. He has given some one time for 2 marks, sir. Find the equation of straight lines whose sum of the intercepts is 5, product is 6. Given a plus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 6. Okay, what is the given data, sir? A plus b is equal to 5, ab is equal to 6. Okay, let a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Then ab will be 6 and a plus b will be 5. So it is satisfying. Again, let a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Then a plus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 6. Ante we are assuming some values. We cannot assume 5 plus 0, sir, because intercept cannot be 5 plus 0. If you assume, what will happen? 5 into 0 will be 0, but that is not equal to 6. So we cannot assume 5 and 0. What is that I am assuming? What? 3 and 2. You can assume even 1 comma 4, but 1 into 4 is not equal to 6. So we are assuming such a way a and b will satisfy first condition and ab also will satisfy second condition. Therefore, equation of line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. First equation answer, a value is called 3. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. LCM is 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Minus 6 is equal to 0. And similarly, x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Then 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Observe here, 2x plus 3y minus 6 here 3. That's why he says find the equation of straight lines. He did not say straight line. Straight line means only one. Here 2 conditions will come. 2 marks ichchar one time. Okay, please note down this. Next. Find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing from 2 comma 3 and sum of the intercepts is 0. Okay, sum of the intercepts is 0. Okay, solution. Let intercepts are a comma b. Okay, what is the given? Given sum of the intercepts is 0. So a plus b is equal to 0. So what is the b value? Minus a. Right? Now, equation of the line. Equation of the line. Formula is what, sir? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x by a, b value is minus 1, minus a is equal to 1. So LCM is a, x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, x minus y is equal to a. Now you got x minus y is equal to a. Now how to find a value? Given. Which point is given, sir? 2 comma 3 on a. And the x value is 2. 2 minus 3 is equal to a. A is equal to minus 1. Means what? We have applied a plus b is equal to 0. From this b is equal to minus a. Equation of the line. Apply the formula. But b is replaced by minus a. So x by a minus y by a. LCM is a. Then we got this. So a is equal to what? Minus 1. Therefore, line equation is x by a. A value ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్? minus 1. So we can write directly. ఇక్కడ రాద్దాం సార్. Here you put x minus y, a value anta minus 1. So x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So what we have done? We have applied condition. Copy this. Find the equation of the straight line passing from minus 2 comma 4. Minus 2 comma 4 and sum of the intercepts is 0. Again same concept, sir. Again a plus b is equal to 0. B is equal to minus a, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x by a minus y by a is equal to 1. X minus y by a is equal to 1. So what is the equation? X minus y is equal to a. Now how to find the point? Point is what, sir? Minus 2 comma 4 on it. Means x is replaced by minus 2, y is replaced by 4. So a is equal to what? Minus 6. Therefore, equation of line is x minus 5 is equal to minus 6, x minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. Simple substitution of the value. So again, put the value x is equal to minus 2, minus 4, 2 comma minus, let's say minus 2, minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. So satisfying. Okay, copy this. Same concept, point is changed. Next, find the equation of a straight line passing from minus 4 comma 5 and making equal intercepts. What is the condition? Equal intercepts. So given A is equal to B. What is that given? A is equal to B. So equation of the line is equal to 1. So x by A plus y by A is equal to 1. LCM is A 1. X plus A is equal to A. Now put minus 4 comma 5 on it. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సార్ minus 4 plus 5 is equal to A is equal to 1. Therefore required line equation is x plus y is equal to A value ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్ 1. Therefore x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ equal intercepts C is given. Note on this. Find the equation of the line passing from 3 comma minus 4 and making xy intercepts in the ratio 2:3. Now ratio has been given. So this is very, very important. Solution. Let A comma B is the intercepts. Now observe here the simplification, sir. A by B is equal to 2/3. Given what, sir? Ratio on each other. So A by B is equal to 2/3. So 3A is equal to 2B. A is equal to 2B by 3. You got this? Now equation of the line. One. So what will happen? A is replaced by 2B by 3, y by B. Here simplification చూడండి సార్. A is replaced by 2B by 3. This 3 will go to numerator. Right? LCM is 2B. Okay, LCM, look at here simplification. 2B is LCM. Here 2B undi, here B undi, 2B. So 2B will go one time, 3x. B will go one time, so 2. 2y is equal to 1. So 3x plus 2y by 2b is clear. Malli cheptanu. LCM is 2b. So 2b will get cancelled, 3x. B and b will get cancelled, 2 into y. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 2b. Now what is the point he has given? 3 comma minus 4 on it. Therefore 3 into 3 9, 2 into 4 minus 8 is equal to 2b. B is equal to 1 by 2. 1 is equal to. Okay, we got B is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, required line what is the required line? Here substitute చేస్తున్నాం సార్. 3x plus 2y is equal to B value ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్? 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So equal intercepts, sum of the intercepts, ratio. Okay, these problems are very, very collinear. We have seen collinear 2-point formula. Okay, in this video we have seen so many problems, sir. Please try to go through these solutions. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.